What you can do to run a successful affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing is something that all webmasters should consider. It's never been easier to add affiliate links to your site. These come in all shapes and sizes too, so you can choose something that isn't too distracting. If you add decent videos to your site that relate somehow to the product or service, and post similar videos and comments on other websites and blogs, you can turn over a surprising amount of money. You don't even need to be a good writer. Many video writing services and software are now so affordable. Take a look at some more useful information on the subject in the following paragraphs. To make your internet marketing efforts more effective, avoid the hard sell. Make sure that every visitor to your website can find information and services to satisfy them without forcing them to pay. Web surfers are less tolerant to high-pressure sales tactics than any other potential customers. Giving them a little without asking for anything in return will build trust and positive impressions. The performance of an affiliate marketing arrangement can be boosted if the webmaster and the affiliate can agree to offer an exclusive product. A purchase that can only be made through an affiliate will be more tempting to a website owner's visitors, increasing click-through and earning more money for both the webmaster and the affiliate. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make certain that the affiliate program with which you join uses cookie tracking. This will ensure that you will be credited for all the purchases made by people who buy items on their second or subsequent visit to the affiliate company's site. Don't expect immediate results. While some products will immediately start bringing in sales, others take time. Your return readers will help to build your sales gradually, and this in turn brings you the money from the company you work for. This isn't an instant turnaround, but patience will help it pay off in the end. In order to become the best possible affiliate marketer, you will have to understand the market in which you are competing. Figure out the problems in your market and its limitations, and then work to push past them. There is a wide range of free resources around the web to help you keep tabs on any market. The tips above should create a good foundation for you to build a marketing plan. It's really not that difficult, so join the millions who are making money in this way. The more effort you put in, the more you can make. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.